welcome to Review India. Today we are reviewing Bajaj's one and only legend, the power cruiser Dominar 400. In Auto Expo 2014, they have revealed the Pulsar CS 400. This is also derived from that CS 400. Let's have a walk around of all new Bajaj Dominar 400. Let us see the overview. First of all, the headlamp. It really looks like the aggressive face. And when you see this tank and also this headlamp, which looks like this posture of the Leo. This which really looks like the Leo stance. Actually, this is a concept of CS 400, but for the production purpose, they have changed the name to Dominar. In Spanish, the Dominar means which is exceeds in power, and this bike is also having a great power. And also you can look the headlamp. The Bajaj has provided the daylight running lamp, and it is having great power, and which can be visible from more than 1.5 kilometers in the light. Actually, this Dominar, they sold that dominates the night. Hence, they have provided for the night ride. They gave the very powerful daylight running lamp and also with the headlight, which is very powerful for the night ride, which is very comfortable and also which is very suitable. You can see this overall headlamp, which is very powerful. Let us see the engine specifications of all new Dominar 400. It is having a 400cc and the displacement is of 373cc. It is liquid cooled and also it has a 4-valve motor with the DTSI technology with a triple spark. It makes 35 bhp at 8000 rpm. And it has a maximum torque of 35 Nm at 6500 rpm. Let's crank it up and hear the sound of this all new Dominar 400. MRF tire is size is 110/70. When you come across this rear radial tire with sizes of 150/60, which is made by the MRF tires, it is very wide and also which suits for any terrain. When you see the suspension in the front, they have given the telescopic 42 mm fork. In the rear, they gave the mono suspension, which feels very comfortable for the rider and also pillion. Hence, by this overall suspension, the telescopic fork and the mono suspension, hence for the long ride, which is very suitable power cruiser. When you come across this braking, they gave the dual channel ABS in the front, which is of 320 mm, and in the rear, which is of 230 mm. They have given the stamped metal swing arm, which is very impressive in this segment. Bajaj has provided the sports exhaust in this Dominar 400. It is having the 13-liter fuel tank capacity. Dominar 400 is a power cruiser with the upright seating position. Because of this sleek designed petrol tank, the seat is very comfortable for which is suitable for the long ride. And also pillion seat is also very comfortable. They gave the grab rails for the safety of this pillion. Biggest feature in this Dominar 400 is this slippery clutch. This slippery clutch will reduce the engine braking and also lose traction in the rear wheel and also blocking of the rear wheel.